Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to download Paramount Plus videos in MKV format. Although Paramount Plus doesn't provide an option to directly download in MKV, we'll walk you through the process with some workarounds. 1. Use screen recording software, PC/Mac. The easiest way to capture Paramount Plus content in MKV format is by using screen recording software. Here's how. Steps. Install screen recording software. Download a free tool like OBS Studio. Set output format to MKV. In OBS Studio, go to Settings Output and choose MKV as your recording format. Record the video. Play the video on Paramount Plus and start recording with OBS Studio. Save the file. Once finished, the recorded file will be in MKV format, and you can watch it offline. Note, this method may violate Paramount Plus's terms of service, so use it cautiously. 2. Use a video downloader tool, not recommended. Some third-party downloading tools claim to allow you to download videos in MKV format from streaming services like Paramount Plus. Tools like JDownloader or YDD Video Downloader may allow you to download videos, but they are often not legal and violate copyright laws. Steps. Install a downloader tool. Download and install a tool like JDownloader. Copy video URL. Copy the URL of the Paramount Plus video you want to download. Download. Paste the URL in the downloader and select MKV as the download format, if available. Save the file. Once downloaded, the video will be in MKV format. Warning: using third-party tools to download content can lead to account suspension or legal issues. 3. Convert video to MKV after downloading. If you've already downloaded Paramount Plus content using the app or a screen recorder in a different format, you can easily convert it to MKV using a free video converter. Steps. Download a video converter. Use tools like Handbrake, Free, or any video converter. Convert the video, upload the downloaded video, and select MKV as the output format. Save. Convert and save the video to your device in MKV format. 4. Legal considerations. Downloading and converting content from Paramount Plus without permission can violate copyright laws and Paramount Plus's terms of service. Always use legal methods to access and store content. Conclusion. While there's no direct way to download Paramount Plus videos in MKV format, you can use screen recording software, video downloaders, or file conversion tools to get your content in MKV. Just be cautious of the legal and service-related risks. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more streaming tips. Happy watching!